Hello friends, 2 years ago I posted over the ceiling with Alcantara. On the channel I have a video on posting and assembling the ceiling, which means this place that came into contact with the sun, they were smoked out and turned white. I don't buy Alcantara, disassemble the panels and glue them, but just brought here such a show polish and apply it to the place where the Alcantara smoked out the color. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.